We're going to take a little ride. I'm going to start off with the pigs. That's their house. And we're going to go over here to the honeyberries. And we just found some birds up in the honeyberries, so our honeyberry crop has diminished. I've ordered some netting. They were loaded. We thought the wind or something was knocking them down. And then we come over here to the wild rose section. This was the raspberry section, but we haven't had any, or not much, not like normal. We would get gallons and gallons out of here, but next year looks like this is all blackberries coming up. Over here. Apple tree. Apple tree. This is another apple tree. Cherry. This is a pear. And oh, there's the pear up there. I don't know if you can see it. Pin cherries back there. These are more fruit trees. No fruit this year. And then we've got plums. You can see there's a couple of plums on this one, or a few. This one has a few. We might get a couple off of here. Hopefully, these are first year plants, so we really didn't expect to get anything. This is the strawberry garden that got taken over because we just don't have time to weed. But this is a grape plant that Joe's brother gave us. There are some strawberries still growing in there. There's some raspberries, and this is the star child of the strawberry patch. These are blackberry plants that someone gave us when we bought those rhubarb plants. And these things are so delicious. really grown a lot. Fire pit area. And then this is my medicinal garden that I'm trying to get planted. These purple flowers are self-heal. I'm going to pick those and dry them. Have all kind of wildflowers, sunflowers. And I bought a bunch of different stuff off of Marketplace to plant in here too. And then our gooseberries, mullion down there. We transplanted those this year. Garden, so we've got more over there too. And we'll go over here. Hey, kitty. Hey, meow. Have some elderberry planted over here. These are, I think these are second year plants. First or second? I can't remember. I can't remember if we planted these last year. I ran over that one with the lawnmower. So upset about that. It was struggling. This one's doing really good. That one's doing really good too. Aren't daisies so pretty? And then this one just started flowering. Right there. And then we'll go over and we'll look at the garden. I won't take you on the trail today, but we found a apple tree out in the woods. That's the garden. Still have to get the plastic. It's just been a very busy year. And with Mom dying, it just, you haven't had time to do anything really, or the money. I wonder if we can squeeze through here. Peppermint. I have spearmint planted over by the house. Our corn is coming up. Joe had to replant some. Those along the fence, on the other side of the fence, are sunflowers. We have some planted on the side of the house, but I think we planted them too late. Over here is Festus. Head. This banana head. Huh. Hey. When Joe gets back, we are going to get the calf off of her. Her condition has gone down and he is just sucking the weight off of her. So we're gonna wean him, and that's about it of the farm. Maybe when the weather improves, I'll take you through the back trails.